Nature is the greatest gift given to humanity. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the land we live on all come from our environment. But today, our planet is in danger. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change are threatening our future. If we want a better tomorrow, we must act today. Save environment, save future. Creating a green forest for future involves scaling native, biodiverse afforestation, protecting existing carbon sinks, and leveraging ecological research to ensure tree survival against climate change. Protecting birds ensures a thriving future for all of us. When bird populations thrive, our forests and food systems thrive. Saving rivers is vital for our future because they are our primary source of fresh water, support biodiversity, regulate the climate, and sustain agriculture. To protect these lifelines, it requires both policy level action and grassroots community involvement. Factories release harmful gases into the air. Factory smoke consists of harmful particulates and toxic gases produced by burning fossil fuels. To tackle this issue, facilities employ technologies like electrostatic precipitators and scrubbers, while shifting toward cleaner energy sources like oil or gas. Every day, thousands of trees are cutting down. The cutting down of trees is one of the most pressing global environmental issues, destroying critical habitats and driving climate change. Plastic wastes fill our oceans and harm animals. Rivers and lakes are becoming polluted. Temperatures are rising and natural disasters are increasing. These are warning signs from our planet. If we ignore them, future generations will suffer. A healthy environment gives us clean air, fresh water, and food. Trees provide oxygen and shelter to countless living beings. Nature keeps our planet balanced. Without a healthy environment, human life cannot survive. Protecting nature means protecting ourselves. Saving the environment starts with small actions. Plant more trees. Planting trees is one of the most effective, high impact ways to combat climate change, prevent soil erosion, and support local biodiversity. Reduce plastic use. Reuse and recycle materials. Reduce, reuse, and recycle form the cornerstone of a sustainable future. Save water and electricity. Keep your surroundings clean. Use eco friendly products. Plastic pollution is an omnipresent planetary crisis. Using cloth and canvas bags for shopping directly reduces single use plastic waste, lowers carbon emission, and keeps toxic microplastics out of our oceans and landfills. Conserving the environment ensures a healthy planet with clean air, fresh water, and thriving nature. By protecting natural resources and reducing pollution, we guarantee a secure, sustainable, and joyful world where children can grow up healthy and future generations can thrive. Teach others to care for nature. Together, small actions can create big changes. The earth does not belong to us, we belong to the earth. The choices we make today will decide the future of tomorrow. Let us promise to protect our planet. Let us work together for a cleaner, greener, and healthier world because When we save the environment, we save our future.